Good morning, primary school. It's Thursday, May 31st, and it's day I. I'm Selah.
And I'm Stella, and here are your morning announcements. Today there will be a teacher versus students dodgeball game at morning recess on the basketball court.
Lower primary assembly will be led by Johnathan and house captain.
Grade 2 will be having their MiniX this morning at 9 to 10:30 a.m. in the grade 2 to 3 wing.
Visitors from Annie Hill School will be here at 10 to 11:30 a.m. Adventure Playground will be dedicated to them from 11 to 11:30 a.m. this morning.
Shay Given.
Who's Shay Given?
He's an Irish soccer legend, second most capped Irish national, and he is in the school today. He will meet and greet students, and most importantly, Miss Laura. Check out the following video.
Football, special event. The field will be in use today at morning recess. The grades 3 to 4 SISAC football players will be training with Manchester City, 10:30 a.m. to noon. People on duty, please help with supervision on covered courts and basketball court.
Studio 5 students will be continuing their transitions to grade 6 today. 5C and 5D will be leaving at 8:45 a.m. till 1:15 p.m.
Second round of auditions for Primary Talent Show will take place today. Make sure to check the list posted on the primary office in My Ishmael. Meet in room 328 at 12:20.
Take the pledge of no more single use. You can start by refusing plastic straws and using bamboo ones, bringing your own reusable water bottles, and using cloth bags.
Make your spaces open in grades 4 and 5 today at morning recess.
Joke of the day. What do you call a cowboy that falls off his horse?
What?
An owlboy.
Random fact of the day. If you could drive to the sun, it would take you about 190 years to get there.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, "Don't mistake politeness for lack of strength." Sonia Sotomayor.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a tremendous Thursday.